Greetings and welcome to I Am Sure Sports. My name is Man and we're back again for another one. Kaboom! Yes, this is the I Am Sure Boss. I hope you're doing well. Wherever you're watching us from, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. If it is your birthday, happy birthday to you. And if it is your anniversary, happy anniversary to you. Hope you have or had a wonderful one. The president of the JFF, in fact, he celebrated his birthday on the 26th of September. Yeah. I don't know what happened still, you understand me? But happy birthday to the president of the Jamaica Football Federation, Mr. Mike Ricketts. Happy belated, we should say. Yeah, man, but we have another one more inspiring video to share with you. Just publicizing or putting out, not promoting stuff, but putting out information out there to all our subscribers who we are very grateful for. We have at this point close to 1,200 subscribers, and we're so delighted because people, when we started this, we never started it trying to get major subscriptions. We just started it trying to put out content, and look how far we have gotten. Would have been satisfied with even 500, but we are way past that now. So thank you so much. Listen, so I want to big up the coaches desk, Ryan LFC, Talawa TV. These are some of the persons who have really shared information with me in terms of how to do this whole YouTube sport thing to make the work that I do better. And so I really want to pay credence to them today, right? And please check out their channel. You have some guys also at Sports Frenzy. Check out their channel. All right. But today I want to talk to you about the CDM position. You'd have heard by now that Anthony Grant will not be available for the first game in this 3-series World Cup qualifiers coming up. The 7th of October, we play the USA in Austin, Texas. Then on the 10th of October, we play Canada here at the National Stadium. And then a few days after, we go to Honduras to play them there. Now, Anthony Grant, who has been a standout in the first 2 games that he has represented Jamaica in the CDM, playing alongside Devon Speedy Williams, will be absent, due to particular reasons that we're not able to disclose. He will not be available for the USA game. So we needed a replacement for him. And the questions were out there. Should we go for Michael Hector? Should we go for Kevon Lambert or Javon Watson? I did a video about him earlier this week. All right. And that was because we understood that Kevin Stewart had not fully recovered and that Jordan Cousins was also unavailable. But yesterday on one of our live programs, we received credible information that Kevin Stewart, this is a conversation with him someone actually had, where he said that he's fit, he's ready to go, and he's match sharp. So we are just here pleading with the coach, not the JFF, with the coach. This player he has all the information necessary. He's a citizen, he has his passport, he can travel, and his club will release him. Call Kevin Stewart. He's a former Liverpool player at Blackpool now. I mean, plays well when he's physically fit and strong and able to. I know he has some, like I said, injury thing that plagues him. However, when he's out there, he plays well. So we are calling for Kevin Stewart to be in the squad, at least for the USA game. At least for the USA game. I mean, again, I'll say this. I'm not going to disrespect any player. Javon Watson has been a good servant, but I'll take Kevin Stewart over Javon Watson every and any day right now. Javon Watson is close to 37 years old. And like I said, there are years on his legs. Though he has gotten into better physical conditioning, he has not been playing a lot of football. And so Kevin Stewart is the man for the plan. Kevin Stewart is the man